are going to see exercise 4.2 in polynomials. First question is, find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equal to 0 is first question. Second one, x equal to minus 1. Third one, x equal to 2. We have to substitute this all the three values in the x place and we have to find what is the polynomial. So p of x equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. In this first value I am going to substitute x value is 0. So p of x place 0 we should apply is equal to 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. So 5 into 0 will get 0 minus 4 into 0 square also 0 plus 3. 0 into any number it will become 0. So 4 into 0 also 0 plus 3. So 0 minus 0 also same 0 only. It will become now the value is plus 3. P of 0 we got the value plus 3. Now we are going to apply second one, x equal to minus 1. So x place minus 1 we should apply 5 into minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 the whole square plus 3 plus into minus minus 5. Here minus 4 we have, minus 1 the whole square will get plus 1 because minus 1 we have to multiply 2 times. Minus into minus plus 1 into 1, 1. So we will get the full value for this, it is 1 plus 3. Now minus 5, minus into plus, minus 4 into 1, 4 plus 3. Minus 5, minus 4 is there, we have to add this both the number because we have same sign for this both. So it will become minus 9 when we add. Now this is plus 3. Now minus 9 plus 3 will get minus 6. Now third one, x equal to 2. We are going to apply in this place. So p of 2 equal to 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. Now 5 2s are 10 minus 4, 2 square means 2 we have to multiply 2 times. So 2 2s are 4. We have to apply in this place. This is plus 3 we have here. 10 minus into plus minus 4 4s are 16 plus 3. Here 10 plus 3 is 13 minus 16 we have. So minus 16 plus 13 is minus 3. So p of 2 we got it minus 3. Second main is find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2 for each of the following polynomials. Here they given 4 questions. In this first and second I will do, third and fourth you try as homework. First one, p of 0 we have to apply. So y place we should apply 0, so that wherever y is there we have to put 0. So 0 square minus 0 plus 1. 0 square also 0. 0 minus 0 also is 0. So our value will be 1. Therefore p of 0 equal to 1. Next one we have to apply p of 1. So it is 1 square minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. 1 square equal to 1 into 1, it is positive 1. So p of 1 equal to 1. Next one, p of 2 we have to find. So wherever y is there we have to apply 2. So it is y square. So we should apply 2 square minus y, it is there. So we have to apply 2 in that place plus 1. That is 2 square means 2 into 2 4. So 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5 because positive we have to add. After adding minus 2 we have to write it here. Now 5 minus 2 is 3. Therefore P of 2 equal to plus 3. Second question is P of t equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Now we are going to apply in t place 0. P of 0 equal to, we have here 2 plus t place 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. So 0 into any number will get 0 only. Here also we have 0. So here also it is 0. So our value it will be 2. P of 0 is equal to 2. Next we are going to apply in t place 1. Therefore P of 1 equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square is 1. 1 into 1 will get 1. So we have to write 1 minus 1 cube also will get 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 2 into 1 is 2 minus 1 we have. 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Therefore P of 1 is equal to 4. Next one, P of 2 we have to apply. Next, P of 2. So t place 2 we should apply. 2 plus, here we have to apply 2 plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 cube. So 2 plus 2 is 4. We'll write directly 4 here. Plus 2 into 2 square is 4. 2 2s are 4. Minus 2 to the power of 3 means 2 we have to multiply with 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. This 8 we have to apply here. So here 4 plus 2 4s are 8 minus 8. We have plus 8 and minus 8. So our answer is 4. P of 2 is 4. Third main, verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. In this first question is P of x equal to 3x plus 1. Here they given x equal to minus 1 by 3. Here we should apply x place as minus 1 by 3. The full value we have to get 0. Then this value is zeros of polynomial. We'll check now. P of minus 1 by 3 equal to 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So here plus into minus, minus 3 1s are 3 divided by 3 here. Plus 1. Numerator 3, denominator 3 will go as 1 time. 1 3s are 3, 1 3s are 3. Here we have minus 1 by 1. Then 2 the value is minus 1. Plus 1 here. Minus 1 plus 1 will get 0. Cancel. Our answer is 0. Therefore, x value minus 1 divided by 3 is the zeros of polynomial. Second question is P of x equal to 5x minus pi. Here x value they given 4 divided by 5. We'll check whether this answer is zeros of polynomial or not in zeros of polynomial. P of 4 by 5 equal to 5 into 4 by 5 minus pi. Numerator and denominator 5 will get cancelled. So we'll get 4 minus pi. It is not equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 4 by 5 is not a zeros of polynomial. Third question is P of x equal to x square minus 1. Here they given x equal to first positive 1, next negative 1 we have to apply. Now plus 1 equal to 1 square minus 1. 1 square also will get positive 1 minus 1 equal to, that is plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. So we'll get 0. When we get 0, x equal to 1 is here zeros of polynomial. Next we are going to apply minus 1 in x place. So here minus 1 the whole square and minus 1 is equal to minus 1 if you multiply 2 times, minus 1 into minus 1 will get plus 1 because minus into minus plus 1 into 1 will get 1. So plus 1 minus 1. Here also it will get cancelled, will get 0. When we get 0 as value, so x equal to minus 1 is a zeros of polynomial. P of x equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2, they have given the question. Here in x place minus 1 and 2 we have to substitute. So first I am taking minus 1 as x value. So minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 2. So plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. So this value is 0. 0 into any number will get 0. Here minus 1 minus 2 when we add we get minus 3. Why we have to add? Because they got same sign. So we have to add. When 0 into any number will get 0. Our polynomial answer is 0 means x equal to minus 1 is zeros of polynomial. Next we are going to apply x plus 2 plus 2. So P of x equal to, our question is x plus 1 into x minus 2. Therefore P of 2 equal to 2 plus 1 and 2 minus 2. In x place I applied only 2. So here 2 plus 1 is 3 into positive 2 negative 2 will get cancelled, then 2 will get 0. 0 into any number will get 0. So this value also is 0. Therefore x equal to 2 is a zeros of polynomial. Rest of the sum do it yourself.